quick video more about Alcumus. I'm assuming that you're logged in and have clicked on to Art of Problem Solving using the login that you have. And again, if you have having trouble with that, please come see me. You've clicked on Alcumus. Now here I've clicked on Instructions, and this is obviously very useful if you're getting confused. And one thing that I wanted to look at is the report page. Here's a description of the report page. We'll look at it in a minute. And it says you can preview your progress by clicking on the report tab, and it indicates how many problems you've answered and total number of points, things like that. And it has these various classifications of you're not ready for a topic, you're ready but haven't passed it, safe to skip topics because it thinks you're probably beyond that, and passed, and then mastered. Well, we're looking for to get into this region. It's either safe to skip or hopefully passed on the topics that we're going to be focusing on. And so let's look at the report. This is for the test student I created. So here's the overall report. It just says, okay, we haven't done basically anything in counting probability number 3. That's okay, we're not doing those yet. In algebra, I gotten all the way up to level 2, woohoo, and that's active. And then you want to click further. Oh, you have total correct, total incorrect, how much you gave up. But you want to click further into algebra here, and this gives us all these topics. So here's all the topics that it thinks we're ready to try, and then a couple that are safe to skip. It says we think you've done well enough that you're probably going to be okay on this. Now, for us, we really are wanting to focus on certain topics, and so we maybe don't want to trust that. We want to get to where we're actually maybe past the topic. But that's an indication that there's good stuff going on if it's thinking we're safe to skip. Once we get to a point where you've passed a topic, we could change it. In fact, I've already changed the focus on this one. I was playing around with it. When we go to this change focus screen, I went ahead and changed the focus to exponentials and logarithms, exponential basics. So that's going to be the next thing we're going to want to do. Once we get pretty good on the exponent laws part, then we're going to want to go to exponents and logarithms, exponential basics. So that's just to give you a heads up of where we're going, and how we're going to know we get there is by looking at these kinds of progress reports. Okay.